I'm aware, but I'm no more in courtesan again.
No, now. But the things that you said, these things, you did them 3 years ago.
Yes.
Are you saying that because you did 3 years ago, you should not face any punishment, whatever?
No, after the peace, we now submit everything and they now give us oath. We don't resign from courtesan, and we are no more in courtesan 18 now.
Okay, does it mean they are not supposed to arrest and punish you on what you did in the past because you submitted your armed
Since the government have given us peace and we have submitted, let bygone be bygone. So I don't expect why they are arresting us and giving us charge.
But they say you collected 200,000 ransom.
It was the community money that we contribute to him, 7 million naira. He now ate our money and used the money and fight against us.
Okay, is that the reason you revenged?
Yes.
So what was the money of
It was the money that we contribute to make a better thing in the community. He now used the money and sponsored the other side, and he was involved in the killing of 7 innocent people in the community.
So how many of their own people did you kill?
He was the one that involved in the killing of 7 innocent people in our community.
When people retaliated, how many of his own group did you
It's only him, sir.
But we hear you killed them and 3 of them.
The other 2 people are courtesan.
Okay, those ones are courtesan.
Yes, sir.
But I'm here to beg my chief and the community and citizens of Nigeria for them to have mercy upon me because I don't have job. I'm begging them. I will be a good citizen of my community. Please, I'm on my knees begging them every day. I've been in prison several times, so going to prison now is not a game. I'm pleading. I will sign undertaking on their behalf. I will sign undertaking on their behalf. I will. No, sir. When I come out, I did not involve in crime. But just because I'm a leader, anything they do, they will put on Iceland, so I will not deny. But I'm here to plead that they should help me. They should have mercy on me. I'm begging my chief also. I will be a good citizen, please. I will sign undertaking on their behalf. Anything that happens, let them kill me. From now henceforth. My name is BARIDAPDO, IGIA.
Of course, the reason of the arrest of that young man based on the own atrocity which he has committed in the community. On the 22nd day of November 2014, he killed a man called Chief Goodluck Bemene. Yes, this is the camera. Then on the 10th, 9th of March 2021, he killed all of these people. On the 11th of December of that month, this is the CDC of the community, the one called ELVIS. He kidnapped him. At the end, he buried him alive. That is the reason why they have been arrested in the community. And on the 3rd of May, 2021, this old man is 87 years old. It's BARIDAPDO that pushed him of this level. He is the elder of the Council of Chiefs. He was the most elderly man in the Council of Chiefs. So that is the problem we are having with them. The community is not safe. The community is a community up over 8,000 plus population. But because of the activities of these young men, the community has been scared. We are not safe. And also one of the major roles that they are playing, they are about to cause war between the Andoni axis with us. So we are crying to the government today to save us from the hands of the activities of these children.